system runs, stop, system stops. So it's all working correctly. So I've carried out the inspection. I used the operator's manual and the electrical and pneumatic diagram to inform me of what the system should do. I inspected the compressor. I found a number of issues. Oil needed to be replaced. So use the correct tools, check the oil level, put oil in until level is correct. Also the water trap needed to be emptied, and the pressure gauge needed to be set correctly and locked. I discovered a magnetic reed switch that was loose and needed to be put into the correct location and tightened up. The rest of the system was found to be working correctly, so that was all that I needed to do. So I hope that helps you with some basic maintenance and inspection.